Welcome to Photoshop Quick and Easy Tips to level up your design skills. Photoshop Tutorial, Beginner Series, Episode 4, Creating and Using Layers. Welcome! Today's episode is all about layers, one of the most important concepts in Photoshop. Layers are like stacked sheets of glass. You can add things on top, behind, or between other elements, and move or edit them without touching anything else. To create a new layer, click the plus icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, or just press Shift plus Control or Command plus N. To duplicate a layer, press Control or Command plus J. Super useful when you want to copy something fast. To delete a layer, select it and press Delete or drag it to the trash can icon. Want to rename a layer? Just double-click on the layer name. Pro tip: use folders, aka layer groups, to organize related layers. Select layers, then press Ctrl or Command plus G to group them. Your future self will thank you. That's your crash course on layers. Next time, we'll jump into the quick selection tool, the secret to selecting like a pro. Disclaimer: I'm not a Photoshop expert or certified instructor. All tutorials in this channel are based on my personal experience, learning, and practice. I share these tips to help fellow beginners like me. Please feel free to explore more and use what works best for you. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips.